Hey everyone, welcome back to Vital Creations. In today's video, I'll show you how to install and run Android TV on VirtualBox on a PC. Follow these steps. First step is to download Android x 86 ISO. Go to the official Android edX website and download the appropriate Android x60 ISO file, which is for the 32-bit or 64-bit, depending on your system. Step 2 is to install VirtualBox. Download and install VirtualBox from the official site, then install VirtualBox extension pack for additional features. 3 is to create a separate partition for VirtualBox. You can create a new partition for VirtualBox storage using a tool like Minitool, Partition Wizard, or Windows Disk Management. Now, the steps to install an Android on VirtualBox is to step 1. Set up a new virtual machine in VirtualBox. Open VirtualBox and click New and then name it. After naming, set the machine to Linux and then a version of Linux 2.6-3.x-4.x 64-bit or 32-bit if you're using a 32-bit ISO. Allocate at least 2 GB of RAM for smooth performance. Create a virtual hard drive. Now, create a virtual hide disk now, select VDI, which is the virtual disk image, and then the disk type and immediately allocated for storage. Set the disk size for at least 4 GB or more. Load the Android x86 ISO file and then start the virtual machine. Click on Start to begin the installation. Choose the Install and Install Android x 86 to hard disk. That option with the boot menu appears. Now, fifth is to partition and format the virtual disk. Complete the installation. Troubleshooting. If GUI doesn't appear, if your face has an issue in the graphical user interface, use the following steps. Shut down the VM and start an advanced option, boot from local drive and an Android 86 debug mode. Access the terminal and edit the menu that first file. Now, enjoy Android TV on VirtualBox. Once installed, you can use Android TV features and apps on your virtual machine. This guide should help you get Android running smoothly on VirtualBox. And that's about it. Thank you for watching.